This is First Street. It's a beautiful, beautiful town or city. Look at those flowers. I'm so in love with those flowers.
They look
Beautiful.
looks like they're fake because like how can a flower be like
No, they're real, right?
real?
How do you know they're real?
Because it has basket. I thought it didn't have any basket.
Yeah, look at this. So pretty, right? And my only thing is like, how do they water them? That's my question. How Hotel Allegria is right there. Next stop. We are walking to Hotel Allegria to meet my sister-in-law and her family for lunch. They are treating us at the desert. We're close. They're over there. No, we left our car. We left our car here. Oh, we can walk here.
Someone driving.
No, it's not our car. Ristorante Allegria for lunch. Here at First Street in Napa. Go, go, go! Oh, we forgot the gift. You smell good. Hello. Hi,
How are you?
This is pretty. Yes, it's been almost a year. Are you having a good day? Yes or no? Yes.
It's trying to confuse you because the other one, the no is
Yeah. I need to. Oh, she did. You're my guide. Which way? Straight? Okay. Oh, this is anthropology. That's why they have a lot of nice clothes. Look at this boutique. They have beautiful, beautiful clothes. You know, Pokeball.
very, very, very close.
Yes, they are there. The restaurant is there. Look at that again. Oh, this one has a different color. Like,
You win some, you dim some.
you win some, you dim some. They have a lot of beautiful like coats, no? Where are they? Are they still there? Oh, they went inside. Oh, they're still there. They're there already. Actually, we just went back to get the gift. We forgot. Oh, give this to Cousin Paige, huh? No, the other one is for me. The other one, only the plain one. There.
Oh my gosh!
Thank you!
You're welcome!
Here at Allegria, and here is the menu.
Ano gusto mo, Ate Les? Yes, and then can we get we do lemonade?
And perfect. But the roasted chicken you can have with Josh.
Thank you.
Oh yes. Okay, picture time.
Pasta, spaghetti,
We're having a feast.
and then pappardelle, and then chicken.
Hi, Josh!
Maybe the bowl.
Hi.
For the pasta. For the pasta. What's easier for you?
I'm okay with it.
You're okay with that small plate? Maybe 3 more plates.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, John.
Hi, Mom. This is a broccoli tree.
Yes, a broccoli tree.
Meron pa sila mga cherry They were singing their song. Ginagamit ko yung some small plates.
Of course. Can I remove this category?
Yes, you can, please.
It's good.
It's good.
Thank you.
Oh, how's your chocolate gelato, right? chocolate gelato looks very yummy.
I like the chocolate.
You do?
Yummy, babe.
I think that's strawberry.
Is it or raspberry?
Raspberry.
Oh, careful with your shirt, George.